Here's a 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Behind the wheel of the Giulia, you experience the conversion of engineering and emotion. This world-class sports sedan delivers fun-loving driving dynamics showcased in undeniably hot-blooded package. It comes with great features you'll love. Streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, touring suspension, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. Take it for a test drive today.
Napleton Aston Martin of Downers Grove is equipped to handle all of your automotive needs. Come visit us today at 217 Ogden Avenue in Downers Grove, Illinois. We also have a location on North Clark Street in Chicago.